Alright, we're going to be solving by factoring. So the problem is x squared minus 13x equals 30. First thing you're going to want to do is minus 30 from both sides to get it equal to 0. So then once you've done that, you are going to minus 30 on that side too. And then you're going to want to rewrite it as x squared minus 13x equals, or x squared minus 13x minus 30 equals 0. Then what you're going to want to do from there is find two factors of negative 30 that add together to get negative 13, and that's going to be negative 15 and positive 2. So then, once you have your factors like that, you're going to want to use your double bubble and have that equal to 0. So x minus 15 and x plus 2 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0, and then once you have that done, you are going to want to set each of them equal to 0. So in this case, you can literally just flip the signs. So it's going to be x equals positive 15 and x equals negative 2. And that's your answer. Factoring, and what you guys are going to want to, once you have this problem, 27x squared equals 12, you guys are going to want to subtract 12 from both sides. That way you can have it equal to 0. So then you'll have 27x squared minus 12 equals 0. Then you're going to want to take out a GCF of 27 and 12, and the biggest GCF is 3, so you're going to take 3, and that's going to leave you with 9x squared minus 4. Then drop your parenthesis, and then you're going to put equals 0. Then you guys are going to see that 9 and 4 are both perfect squares, so you're going to want to take out, put the 3 in front, and then you're going to want to take out a 3x minus 2, and then you'll have a 3x plus 2 on this side. And then once you have that equals 0, then you're going to set each of them equal to 0. So 3x minus 2 equals 0, and 3x plus 2 equals 0. Then you're going to want to add 2 on this, they cancel, add 2, then you'll have 3x equals 2, and on this one, minus 2, minus 2, then you'll have 3x equals negative 2. Then you'll divide by 3, divide by 3, divide by 3, and divide by 3 on this, and then you will have x equals 2 over 3, and x equals negative 2 over 3. And those are your answers.
Alright, the third problem is 25x squared minus 16 equals 0. The first thing you do is you realize 25 and 16 are perfect squares. So you realize that 5 is the perfect square of 25 and 4 is the perfect square of 16. So you go 5x minus 4 and 5x plus 4. And you set them both equal to 0. Then you just get the 4 to the other side, so 5x minus 4 plus 4 on this side plus 4 over here equals 4. Then you just divide the 5 to leave the x by itself. This one, first answer is x equals 4 over 5. You do the same thing over here, but you try to get rid of the positive 4 by minusing 4 on this side, minusing 4 on this side. Which gives you 5x equals negative 4. You do the same thing, try to get rid of that. Try to leave the x alone, so you divide by 5. So x would equal negative 4 over 5.
Alright, so we're going to be doing factor our things again. So on this one, it's split the middle. So the first step you're going to want to do is take 2 times 15, so that's negative 30. Then you're going to want to find a factor of negative 30 that adds together to get negative 7, and that is negative 10 and 3. So then what you're going to want to do is rewrite it, and I usually put the negative first, so 2x squared minus negative 10x, then plus 3x minus 15. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take out something from this. So what you could take out is a 2x. So take out a 2x here. And so then what you're left with is you're left with x minus 5. Then that's on that side. So then you want to look at this one, see what you can take out. You can take out a positive 3, so plus 3. Then you would have x
minus, how many times does 3 go into 15? 5, so x minus 5 on this side. Then you would rewrite it as put that is equal to 0. So then you have 2x plus 3 in one bubble, and then in the other one you'd have x minus 5. So then for this you can automatically just take the opposite of that. So x is going to equal positive 5, which is the opposite of negative. Then you want to set this one equal to 0, so 2x plus 3 equals 0. Then you're going to want to subtract 3, that's a bad 3. And then you want to do 2x equals negative 3. On this side, take it divided by 2, those cancel, take this divided by 2, and your final answer is going to be x equals positive 5 and negative 3 over 2.